Peace. Just got this book. Yeah, man, I've been going to half price books, man, like every other day. Human Heredity Principles and Issues. So stop, Jamal. You know, you doing that on purpose.
No, I said.
You know I was finna do a video. That's why you doing that. Stop. You ain't been doing that.
No, I said to stop.
I know you said to stop, so stop. Okay, Sun. I'm gonna make this my Sun in Virgo, Moon in Cancer video. Okay, because Cancer is the home. Cancer is the mother. So what am I talking about? Our species, Homo sapiens, originated in Africa. Check it out. Originally, there were two opposing views on how and where our species originated. One school of thought used fossil evidence to argue that after leaving Africa, populations of Homo erectus formed a network of interbreeding populations that gradually transformed into our species, Homo sapiens. Other schools of thought used a combination of genetic and fossil evidence to argue that our species originated in Africa from Homo erectus between 200,000 and 100,000 years ago. The genetic evidence shows that small groups of Homo sapiens spread from Africa about 60. Listen, people say small groups. About 60,000 years ago and replaced earlier populations of human species, including Homo erectus and Neanderthals, and perhaps Homo floresiensis, whatever that is, driving them into extinction. The two opposing ideas can be summarized as follows. One favors evolution and the transition within a single species, the multi-regional model where everybody is from where they are today, like Europeans are from Europe, Africans are from Africa, Asians are from Asia. That's what that's talking about. And the other favors speciation in Africa, following the migration and replacement of other species, the out of Africa model, meaning everybody is African in the different places on the globe has, made us different. I wonder have I been, because I ain't been paying since the video, I just been reading. Anyway, different places on the globe, on the flat earth, has made us different, okay? The evidence now overwhelmingly supports the out of Africa model, identifying Southwest Africa as the I'm doing my video, leave me alone, as the most likely place where modern humans originate in East Africa as the point of migration from Africa. According to this model, modern human populations are all derived from, can I finish the video? Thank you. Are all derived from a single speciation event that took, my wife is fucking my shit up. As a result, the human populations that remain in Africa have the highest degree of, listen, this is important. As a result, the human population which remained in Africa have the highest degree of genetic diversity. And all populations outside of Africa show a high degree of genetic relatedness. Now you see why niggas don't get along. We have more diversity because we are older. Relatedness because they are derived from a relatively small migrant population. Okay, a recent discovery. I ain't gonna read that. Check this out. Strong evidence for Homo sapiens originating in Africa and spread from there to other parts of the world. There may have been one primary migration or several from the base in Eastern Africa. Immigrants carry subset of variations present in African population, consistent with the finding that the present day non-African populations have small amount of genetic variations compared to the African populations. How can we be the same if they genetics are different than ours? These non-African populations also carry a small genetic contribution from Neanderthals. See? These non-African populations is monkeys. So, any of you niggas talking about we come from monkeys, shut up. Because you don't know what you're talking about. Peace and love. Peace.
Take care.